Thanks, but it's hard to follow Dr. Epstein's presentation and thanks to his wife, but I will do my best. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce the significant event of 2018 award to Greg Blooming, Abel De La Rosa, George Painter, and David Perryman for their contributions to the Antios license and Series A financing. Antios' funding round represents one of the largest, if not the largest, Series A biotech financing in Georgia's history, raising let me take over your expectation. Raising $25 million, I apologize. But this success is due in large part to these gentlemen's efforts and the hard work that they have done at Drive. So for those of you who are not familiar with Drive, Drug Innovations Ventures at Emory, which we never call it, but is its formal name, is a not-for-profit company that is fully owned by Emory, but run with the independence of a biotech company. This model gives Drive the flexibility not only to move early discoveries into the development phase quickly, but also cost-effectively and expertly. Drive was founded and is run by former pharma executives who have significant experience and significant success in drug development, which, in addition to the exceptional and innovative antiviral technologies that it licenses from Emory, help drive its success. So at OTT, we talk a lot about Drive, and we talk a lot about them at our events because they do a lot of significant things that are worth recognition. But it's worth taking a moment to step back and talk about how novel this particular model is. Drive was founded in 2013, and since then, to our knowledge, it remains the only not-for-profit drug development company that is resident at a university. So we work really closely with Drive. We're really proud of what they do. We enjoy working with them. They have licensed about 15 technologies from us, all antivirals that fit within their mission, and we prosecute their patent applications worldwide. They keep us very, very busy. They have a lot of work that they do, a wide variety of ventures that they have pursued. And their first big deal, they negotiated a sub-license agreement in collaboration with Big Pharma. And then on the other end, they have the venture that we are celebrating today. So most recently, negotiating the foundational sub-license to the first startup spun out of Drive. An interesting thing about Emory and Drive, and I think something that I take particular pride in, is that Emory and Drive we maintain our relationship at an arm's length. We are licensee and licensor, and so it's important that we negotiate at arm's length. Our interests aren't always aligned, so as we move into these negotiations, we have different concerns that we have to get through, that we have to work together. So I'm particularly thankful for our colleagues at Drive as we negotiate through and get through those difficult negotiations, that we always get the deals done, and I think they're better for all of our inputs. So speaking of today, the Antios Therapeutics license and Series A financing. This is, as I said, this is the first startup that's been spun out of Drive. It was executed on November 20th, 2018, and by December the 4th, 2018, Antios announced that it had raised $25 million. They will use this money to develop a curative regimen for chronic HPV. So hepatitis B affects over 250 million people. I knew that the 250 million was going to come up somewhere. But it affects over 250 million people worldwide and is the leading cause of chronic hepatitis, liver cirrhosis, and liver cancer.
So, sorry, I got caught in traffic at the beginning of the show about intracytidine. So, that was 30 years ago. That started 30 years ago. So I'm going to give it a shot, but I don't know if I can make it back up here in another 30 years. but I'd like to say, the startup of Drive, the spin out of Antios, the development of the asset, it's a team. It was a team effort. The early work was funded by GRA, has helped us along the way. We have a good relationship with OTT. It's good we had a Bell because he can serve both roles and help facilitate it going out and the whole team. So thank you, Emory community. It's been a real pleasure.
Thank you very much. This was the first. And I'll tell you, it was complicated. Just a little bit of history. This transaction had to happen both at the same time. So we had to close on the licensing at the same time, close on the $25 million. We had a lot of folks interested, so it was 25 million oversubscribed. We had to say no, which was a great situation to be in. But very, very complicated. There was a lot of work going on here, from OTT to Drive to Lantios to investors to 3 sets of outside legal counsel. But we got it done. And again, as George said, it was a team effort.